Hello, everybody. I'm your host, Eric Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com. And today we have to talk about that free Bitcoin mining with CryptoTab. That's right. And you can even invite other people to join your team. And keyword free. And also, you don't need mining equipment because if you're watching this on a cell phone or on a computer, you are using your computer with this CryptoTab. It's using your resources that you have available. So again, FREE is the key, and it is Bitcoin mining. And we're going to get into it, ladies and gentlemen. Stop struggling now, gear. Check. And please like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, we are into CryptoTab. It's its own browser, just like Chrome. But first, you know what we got to talk about. Please like again the video. Please share the video because you never know who you're going to help. Thank you. And let's get into CryptoTab, the browser. It's in a browser just like Chrome, just like Firefox, the same thing. It has its own browser. So therefore, you can open up other browsers while it's mining and do a little bit of work if you have to use the same computers. Granted, it's going to take away some of your speed, but nonetheless, you still will be mining. Now, I'm on the dashboard page, so to speak. This is the browser. There will be a link down below in the description where you can download or link yourself to be able to download this browser. And then you open it up and it'll look similar to what you see on the screen. Now, we're going to move along to the Bitcoin mining operation. Originally, we started with, I believe it was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 zeros, and then so actually it was 8 zeros to begin with. All right, so we went down 2 zeros, and notice it's not that much money, but the point is it's an affiliate program as well where you can invite other people, and that's why you should be sharing it just like you would Robinhood and Webull. You should be sharing your link to help people get free shares of stock, so then you in turn receive free shares of stock. Except with this, you are actually helping other people use their phone, use their laptop, use their desktop. They can all be used together. This is exceptional. I love it because it can help OCs. In case you're new here, ordinary citizens, that's everybody, right? So notice that the speed, the hash rate will matter. So I'm running the software to record the video, so my hash rate has been reduced. So therefore, when you're sleeping at night, this could be running all day. When you're at work, it could be running all day. You can have this running and potentially earning Bitcoin all day, all night, 24 hours a day, passively. Remember, we're talking about passive income, ladies and gentlemen, and you want to share your links. So then you notice on the right-hand side, there's 6 people in the network. That also means you could have 6 other people or 5 or 4 or 3 other people also leaving their computers on, and you get a small percentage of that as well. So you're actually creating this big network. So that's for starters. So you can get started right away. The other thing I like about this is they have these things down below to help you with tips and news. Mining on mobile devices, adjusting mining speed, mining network, which I'll actually show, withdraw funds. You can withdraw funds anytime. Share your personal link, just what we talk about here, just like SSN Nation. Share our videos.
Are you interested in high passive income? Do you want to be in trend and earn cryptocurrency? If so, try CryptoTab Browser, the world's first browser with an integrated mining algorithm that allows you to earn Bitcoins simply by using your browser. It has a familiar interface and all the necessary features, plus mining running in the background. Invite your friends and family to use CryptoTab Browser and multiply your earnings using the referral system. Discover Cloud Boost feature and start mining at lightning fast speed, quickly increasing your profits. Grow a large mining network and get a stable income. Share your personal link with other people and get a percentage of their mining, their friends' mining, and so on, up to the 10th level. There are plenty of benefits for our affiliate program members. Install CryptoTab Browser on your computer and start earning right now. Get stable income and guaranteed payments in Bitcoins every day. Download our app to make your profit on the go. Join us.
Well, I figured you would get to see one of their promo videos, some of their marketing material. So therefore, they use banners, they use images, they use landing pages, they use social media images, just so you can market, just so you can share with other people and build your network. So I'm letting you see right now what is on tap so you can change banner sizes, 300 by 250, 768 by 1024, and so on. You can add additional landing page links. So it's that simple. Copy the URL. People are tracked. This is how you build a team. That means your team, other miners, will help you, because this is, of course, a little bit of network marketing as mentioned.